Welcome back to Blake's Den and my 1989 Austin Mini Designer project. In this video I'm going to remove a bonnet and set about repairing it. So let's make a start. So why am I doing this? Well, this is one of the reasons. So there's a lip which goes on the bonnet, which is a weld-on lip. So you've got the original curve of a bonnet, which Mark I's had, and then later ones had this lip welded on to give it a flat edge. And you can see mine is completely rotten out, so I've got a new one to go on there. But I've also got some repairs to do on the underside of the bonnet where it's rusted out. So I think the easiest thing to do is to get this bonnet off the car, get it on the workbench, and then we can see what we're dealing with. The bonnet is really easy to get off. A couple of nuts on either side. Mine aren't even on tight because I've had this bonnet off and on several times. There's also a few washers which go with them as well. So I've just got a magnetic tray. I'm going to put everything in there. And then once all the nuts are off, the bonnet should just lift off. With all of the nuts off, it should just be a case of popping the bonnet off the hinges. So the hinges should have a bit of play in them. So there they are, that's that side off. And then I'll do the same on the other side. Very carefully pick it up and put it on the bench. This is a better look at what we're dealing with. So lots of surface rust, that's fine. Yeah, that'll all sort of grind back. Here is where it gets problematic. So the rib which goes on the bonnet is damaged, so that needs some kind of patch repair on it. And then yeah, that lip needs coming off. And you can actually see, oh, we've got some actual damage to the bonnet itself there, where the material's gone very thin. Might not be able to, well, I might be able to repair that. I could put a piece in there. But yeah, then a lot more damage around here and a lot more flakiness. So I need to decide what to do. Do I repair this up? Do I get a second-hand bonnet and repaint it? Do I get a new bonnet? Don't know. Need to go away, have a think and look at some prices. Oh, and one thing I forgot to mention is the bonnet hook, the thing that holds the bonnet shut, the catch. That fell off a long time ago because it mounts, I think it mounts there where all that corrosion is. So obviously I had nothing to hold onto it. So if I repair it, I need to think about how the catch goes on as well. So some head scratching to do. So I've been doing a bit of research and people tend to just fix these weld plates on the inside of the bonnet, so you can't really see it very well. Bizarrely, nobody sells this pressing as a replacement part, which I thought you would. You can get pretty much everything for a Mini except this. You can buy a whole bonnet, but I don't need a whole bonnet. So I'm going to crack on. First thing I'm going to do, get this front bit off. So I'm going to get a chisel in there. I mean, there's not much of it left. Pop out the remaining plug welds, whichever, or spot welds. I'll either get in there and then either drill them out, or I'll just slit them with the slitting disc on the angle grinder, and we'll get this off. And then we can cut back the bits which are rusty here and here, and we can get this all cleaned up and rust treated. So next the lip off, and that's what's left of the lip. Not much. Came off fairly easy actually. There were quite a few spot welds close together at the ends. In the middle it was sort of weld space, so I just need to go over that with the flap disc to grind them all flat and clean all up, and then see I can cut that bit out to repair it. While I think I've got the cutting disc out, I think I might try cutting some of this off here and some of that off there, and basically see what we end up with. More bits hacked out. So that edge is done. this is now all floppy for bracing, because it's only really connected like in each corner of the bonnet. So a bit of corrosion there, I'll need to clean up a bit more. That's not too bad. This side is where it gets interesting. As you can see, we have a hole in the actual bonnet skin now. So a little hole opened up, I hit it with a screwdriver, it went a lot bigger, as these things do. The actual corrosion around here I don't think this is bad. This bit, I've sort of cut it quite a complicated shape. I wanted to basically keep the bonnet stay where it was. I thought I'll never get that back in the right position. So yeah, I need to probably create a patch of that and create a patch of that. And then I've obviously got to fix up around here. And I'm thinking now, am I better off with a different bonnet? The thing is, all the bonnets I've seen for sale second hand have all been rusty along that edge. Yeah, it's obviously a bit of a flaw. The dirt gets in there and causes it to corrode. So I need a bit more thinking to work out what am I going to do next. So having had a think about it, I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to go ahead and repair this bonnet or get another one. But what I will do now is I'm going to clean up the rust the best I can. So I've got wire wheel on the angle grinder. I've got a flap disc and various different things. I'm just going to try clean this up and just try to get a better feel for what condition it is in. So as you can see, I've cleaned that up a bit. Nothing that exciting, but what's worrying me is this hole here. So you can see the more I've cleaned it up, the sort of bigger it's got. Yeah, and it's sort of coming up now towards the front of the bonnet. Before, I thought I could do quite an easy repair on that. Because you can see this dirty line here is the line where the grill sort of covers it, so you wouldn't see it. But now it's getting into the bonnet and possibly a bit further. To try and do a really neat repair on that, on an area that's going to be really visible, I'm not sure. So, this is where you can help me. What should I do? Should I try and repair this? Should I try and get another second-hand one? Should I just get a new one? Let me know in the comments below and I'll make a decision. But for now, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put some Built Amber Hydrate 80 Rust Killer on it. So I've got some in a yogurt pot here. Oh, never do it straight out the bottle because you get all your bits of rust in your bottle. And I'm just going to paint this on to kill all the bits of rust I've exposed, and then I can work out what to do with this. So that's all coated up now, ready for it to do its thing. It goes of a black colour when the chemical reaction takes place and neutralises the rust. So yeah, my gut feeling is I think this might be a little bit too far gone. I think 100% it's repairable, but is it worth the effort? There's multiple bits along the lip I need to change, repair. There's these two braces I need to rebuild. There's the bonnet latch which goes here, and then that hole as well. There's tons of little bits all over the place, so I might see if I can get a decent second-hand one. Need to have a look on eBay. But I think the key thing for me is this is not urgent. Like, the car is a long way from being finished, as you can see. So I think I may just hold out to try to find a good one of these. So I'm going to leave it there for now. Just a mini update, if you pardon the pun. Let me know what you think about that bonnet. Let me know if you think it's going to be repairable and how good of a job it will look. See, I'm conscious that a lot of it's on the inside. It's just that bit on the front lip, which I'm not sure about. So, thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, press that like button. Please subscribe to the channel. It costs you nothing for more mini related content. And yeah, as I said before, make sure you comment on the video as well. It all helps and I respond to every comment. So once again, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.